Hello and welcome to Affinity. We're going to do a woodcut effect. This is that effect where you get, say, a piece of wood and you chip out bits of it so the bits are only left on the surface, put some ink on it, put a bit of paper on top of it and roll it off, and you're going to get a nice image from that. So we're going to start off, we're going to do just convert to black and white. So we bring up this one, and we're not going to change anything here, but you can if you want to. Then we're going to click back on the layer each time to make sure we get it in the right order. Then we're going to do a denoise. So for this one we go to the live filters down here, get up to denoise, bring this one up, and when you denoise it, I'm going to just zoom into this to show this. We're going to try and take out some of this, the noise in this. This is not a high resolution picture, by the way, but when we turn up the luminance here, you're going to get so far, and that might be okay. But if you want to get a lot more, you just click on the extreme and you can go a huge amount, and it almost becomes like a bit of a blur. But it kind of preserves the edges as well at the same time. So in other words, it takes out the noisy bits. So let's whack it right up, that'll do. Look at that. So let's that one, click back on the pixel layer again, and now we're going to do a blur, but with an interesting variant on blur. So I'm going to go down again to here and up to Gaussian blur filter. Then what I'm going to do here with this is two things which are slightly unusual. One is I'm going to put a tiny blur in it, so I'm going to only go up to about 0.6. What this does, this changes it from the layer below, and down here for the blend mode, here we're going to go down to subtract. And what subtract does is it takes one away from the other. So after the denoise, we blurred it a bit and then took it away. So all we're seeing is the bits that were blurred, which you see more of at the edges of things. So now we've got the sort of white on black. We'd like to see this the other way around. So we're now going to go to make an adjustment and do an invert. So now we can see this again. Let's bring up the whole picture. All right, it's really not very clear, is it? So what we're going to do now is add another adjustment, which is levels. Click on levels and bring this one up. Now what happens, you can see the histogram here. Everything's right at the top end here. So we need to get up to that. So we take the black level, we drag this up. Nothing much is happening until we hit the histogram there. Now things start to pick up. Now we start to see where we're getting. In fact, we're going to go all the way up to 99%. Now this is looking a lot more like a woodcut, isn't it? So all we do is one more adjustment, which is another denoise. So we'll go to here and go up to denoise again, bring this up, and we can put on the extreme because we're playing around here, and this is just going to take out some of the stuff there. Is that going to do enough? No, I'm going to put the extreme tonight. There's an extreme. That's it. Now let's just see if we can take out stuff. Any more changes? Is it going to do anything here? Oh, it's only doing a bit, isn't it? But it pulls out a little bit. It softens it a bit in odd places. So there we go. Maybe you don't need it. Let's have a look. Before, after. No, it's not really having much an effect. We can take that one off if we want. No, hang on. No, it's just taking time, isn't it? Sometimes these things have to think. They have to do a heck of a lot of calculations. If I take that off, that's the previous one. I'll turn it on. You have to wait for it. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? That's softened it. I thought it would need it. So we've taken out some of the bits. And you can get things like this which you get in a woodcut, where if the paper hasn't quite touched the wood properly, you get bits missing from it. So there we go. There's an interesting woodcut effect. Hope you like that, and thank you very much for watching.